Thunderstorm warning for North Central Berks County, Northwestern Lehigh County, Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, West Central Northampton County, until 9 p.m. At 7:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pocono Pines to near McKeansburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Lehighton, Mount Pocono, East Stroudsburg, Tobiana, Palmerton, Jim Thorpe, Hamburg, Slavington, Nesquehoning, Weatherly, Walnut Fort, Lenhartsville, Stormville, Ness, Pocono Pines, Lake Harmony, New Tripoli, Skitock, Tannersville, and Long Pond. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile marker 62 and 91. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 33 and 47. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 288 and 310. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 13. The National Weather Service.
I was just uploading my severe thunderstorm watch, and now you're giving me this. Wow.